The Owen James Report is
brought to you by JMMB. If you're serious about saving, you deserve JMMB.
Donna!
Hi, Sophie!
I brought my friend to set up her plan. Donna,
Hi! It's been so wonderful. From the moment we walked in, I felt really at home. My financial planner was so easy to talk to. She understands me. I know what I want. I feel like she really wants me to achieve my goals. It's easy. I am happy.
You deserve people who really stand for you. You deserve JMMB. Welcome to the family. If you're serious about saving, you deserve JMMB.
Good evening. This is the Owen James Report. The Jamaican dollar continues to weaken against key currencies. Today, both the American and Canadian dollars jumped to record highs against the local dollar. The benchmark American dollar gained 7 Jamaican cents to close at a new record high average selling rate of $92.24. The Canadian dollar advanced by 59 cents Jamaican to a new high of $93.45. However, sterling fell by 33 Jamaican cents to close at an average selling rate of $148.52. The selling rate of the US dollar peaked as high as $95.81 today. News on the market now, and gains by Scotia Group as well as a 13% gain by affiliate Scotia Investments triggered modest advances in the stock market indices today. The main JC index crept up 68 points or 0.08%. 20 stocks traded, with 6 advancing, 8 declining and 6 holding firm. The winners included Berger, Carreras, Jamaica Broilers, Scotia Group and Scotia Investments. The losers included Caribbean Cement, DNG down 10.2%, First Caribbean International Bank, Gleaner down 10%, Grace Kennedy, Honeybun, Lime and NCB. Now finally, in our business intelligence feature, a senior banker says he has seen no evidence of capital flight from Jamaica at a time when the local dollar is at a record low. Scotiabank's President Bruce Boyne was responding to my question on an apparent IMF about-face on capital controls. The fund once considered as hearsay any notion that countries should restrict the flow of money into and out of their economies. The orthodoxy was that countries should set liberal rules so investors could buy and sell assets as freely as possible. It considered any restrictions or capital controls a hindrance to development and better economic performance. Now on Monday, it issued statements advocating some degree of capital controls, particularly in vulnerable economies. However, Boyne says this is not the fund's issue with Jamaica, as there is no evidence of capital flight from the island.
You know, from what I'm aware of where the discussions are and what their issues and their priorities are in Jamaica, I don't think their concerns are in the capital area. If you look at over the years, capital flight has not been an issue for Jamaica. Jamaica's issue has been debt sustainability and public sector, the percentage of the economy that the public sector is in terms of, you know, they talk about the wage bill, but just how much of the economy is taken up by the public sector. And then IMF talks about structural adjustments to make it easier to do business so you can grow the economy.
On that note, we end today's edition of the Owen James Report. Good evening.
The Owen James Report was brought to you
by JMMB. If you're serious about saving, you deserve JMMB.